Hello and welcome to today's Tech Tip. Today we're going to be talking about some productivity tools, specifically using the Shift key on your keyboard while programming. If you think about the Shift key on your keyboard, let's think about the word shift, and that means moving things around. So by holding the Shift key down and then clicking on a feature, we can move them around. So let's go and try that. For example, I've got a plane measurement up here. If I hold the Shift key down and then click on one of the individual hits on it, then I can move that particular hit off to the side. Click again to drop it off, and there it is. So we can move individual hits, and that works with surface measurements too. Now that was selecting on the individual hit. Now if I try holding the Shift key down and grab the yellow tie line at the top, I can move the entire feature around. And again, this is just holding the Shift key down. Click again to drop it off. So we can move the individuals around, or we can move the entire measurement. Now in a similar way with a circle inner, let's just take a look at that. If I hold the Shift key down, I can click on one of the individual hits and I can move it around and change the actual location of where my hits are going to be. And again, if I also hold the Shift key down and click the surface normal in the center of the circle, I can actually adjust the up and down height along that normal vector of the circle for the depth. And again, that's just holding the Shift key down. Now another thing we can do is I've got a surface measurement up at the top here. You can see this probe move. I can hold the Shift key down and click on the probe move, and I can move it up out of the way. It was a little too low. Let's move it up a little bit. Click it again, drop it off. Now the plane, it always moves that probe move up in the plane of this view, so you don't have to worry about the in and out depth of this view going too far off. One final thing that the Shift key can do is with labels, and if I zoom out just a little bit so you can see this label, holding the Shift key down and then selecting the label actually allows us to drag the label around also. So that's utilizing the Shift key for programming and some reporting. Hope you enjoyed the video.